Gazing up at the night sky, have you ever seen that faint, glowing band stretching across the cosmos? That spectacular river of light isn't just a pretty sight. It's our home in the universe, the Milky Way galaxy. For centuries, this luminous trail has inspired awe and wonder, sparking questions about where we come from and what secrets lie hidden among the stars. Today, we're going on a journey to explore this incredible cosmic city. The Milky Way is what's known as a barred spiral galaxy, a magnificent structure among billions of others scattered throughout the universe. Imagine a celestial pinwheel, 100,000 light-years across, spinning through space. It's home to over 100 billion stars, each one a potential sun for its own system of planets. At the very heart of this galactic metropolis is a dense, bright bulge packed with old stars. And lurking right at its center is something truly mysterious, a supermassive black hole named Sagittarius A. This cosmic giant has a mass over 4 million times that of our Sun, and its immense gravity holds the entire galaxy together. From this central hub, magnificent spiral arms swirl outwards like cosmic whirlpools. These arms aren't just empty space. They are bustling stellar nurseries, alive with activity. Here, vast clouds of gas and dust come together to form breathtaking nebulae, the birthplaces of new stars. Our own solar system, with Earth and our Sun, is nestled within one of these arms, the Orion Arm. We're located about 27,000 light-years from the galactic center, peacefully orbiting it. Ticks our Sun. About 225 million years to complete just one trip around the galactic core. Think about that. The last time we were in this position, dinosaurs were just beginning to roam the Earth. The Milky Way is a truly dynamic, living galaxy. Within its star-forming regions, we see the spectacular birth of new stars. At the same time, we witness the dramatic end of others. Older, massive stars conclude their lives in colossal explosions called supernova. These events are not just destructive, they're incredibly creative. They scatter heavy elements, the building blocks of planets, and even life across the galaxy. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, all of it was forged in the heart of a dying star long ago. But what's truly mind-boggling is that most of our galaxy is invisible to us. Surrounding the familiar starry disk is a vast, unseen halo of dark matter. We can't see it, we can't touch it, but we know it's there because of its gravitational pull. This mysterious substance is the invisible scaffolding that shapes the galaxy's rotation and keeps it all from flying apart. And our galaxy isn't alone on its cosmic journey. The Milky Way is part of a small galactic neighborhood called the Local Group, which includes over 50 other galaxies. The biggest neighbor is the majestic Andromeda Galaxy. And here's a fascinating prediction. In about 4 billion years, our two galaxies are set to collide. It won't be a violent crash, but a spectacular cosmic dance. Over millions of years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will merge, eventually forming a single, massive new galaxy. It's a grand celestial event that has been billions of years in the making. The Milky Way is more than just a collection of stars. It's a reminder of the immense scale of the universe and the unique, precious place we occupy within it. Every star, every nebula, every cosmic dust cloud tells a story of creation, transformation, and cosmic recycling. A story that began billions of years ago and is still unfolding. So the next time you look up at the night sky, take a moment to marvel at the beauty and vastness of our galaxy. The universe is waiting to be explored. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more journeys among the stars.